The 2025 Honda Goldwing GCT isn't just another update, it's a revolution for long-distance touring motorcycles. For decades, the Goldwing has stood tall as the ultimate road sofa, blending comfort, technology, and sheer road presence. With the new GCT, Goldwing Comfort Touring Edition, Honda takes things to the next level, offering more refinement, smarter tech, and bold design changes that make this machine a true flagship on two wheels. Design and aesthetics, bold elegance meets functionality. Honda has refined the Goldwing's appearance for 2025, and the GCT version is a masterpiece of aerodynamic touring design. The front fairing is sleeker and more wind tunnel optimized, giving it a sharper profile without sacrificing wind protection. LED matrix headlamps now come with adaptive cornering technology, adding both form and function. Chrome accents are used more sparingly, replaced by matte and brushed metal textures that give the bike a premium, modern look. The color palette includes deep metallic reds, gunmetal grays, and a stunning sapphire blue that gleams under sunlight. Engine and performance, smooth power, effortless cruising. Underneath the elegant bodywork lies the same beloved 1,833 cubic centimeters flat-six engine, now updated with better cooling and revised fuel mapping for smoother performance and improved fuel efficiency. The Goldwing GCT still churns out 125 horsepower and 130 lb-ft of torque, delivered with seamless precision. Paired with Honda's 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, DCT, the ride is as smooth as silk, whether you're rolling through city traffic or eating up highway miles. For 2025, Honda has also introduced GCT Mode, a touring-focused ride mode that optimizes throttle response, suspension damping, and traction control for maximum comfort over long distances. Comfort and ergonomics, touring without fatigue. Comfort is the soul of the Goldwing GCT, and Honda has left no detail untouched. The seats have been completely redesigned with memory foam cushioning, enhanced lumbar support, and climate-controlled heating and cooling. The rear passenger seat now includes adjustable armrests and a dedicated infotainment panel for added convenience. Riders benefit from improved ergonomics, a taller windscreen with electronic adjustment, and heated grips that now feature customizable temperature zones. Honda also introduces Smart Climate Control, an AI-based system that automatically adjusts seat and grip temperatures based on ambient weather and rider preferences. Technology and infotainment, smarter, smoother, safer. The 2025 Goldwing GCT showcases Honda's latest in touring tech. The 10.5-inch TFT touchscreen now features a revamped interface with faster responsiveness and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Voice control has been upgraded to support natural language, allowing riders to control navigation, music, and calls without taking their eyes off the road. The sound system gets a boost with premium 8-speaker surround audio developed in partnership with Bose. Safety tech includes blind spot detection, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and a new heads-up display integrated into the windshield, offering navigation cues and real-time alerts. Storage and touring features, travel ready. For serious touring riders, storage and utility matter, and Honda knows this. The Goldwing GCT comes with increased storage capacity, now offering over 65 liters in the rear trunk and more efficient saddlebag space. The trunk opens electronically with proximity sensors, and a new luggage management system helps keep gear organized and secure. Integrated USB-C charging ports, helmet lock compartments, and even a mini refrigerator option for the trunk make long rides more convenient than ever. The optional towing package remains available, with updated connectivity for smart trailers. Ride experience and handling, luxury in motion. Despite its size, the Goldwing GCT handles like a much smaller motorcycle, thanks to Honda's advanced frame geometry and suspension setup. The front end uses a double wishbone suspension system, which improves front stability and reduces steering effort. Rear suspension is electronically adjustable and now automatically responds to road conditions and load weight. Braking is equally impressive, with linked ABS, larger discs, and improved calipers providing ample stopping power. Whether you're riding solo or two-up with a full load, the Goldwing GCT maintains a poised, planted ride that inspires confidence. Conclusion: a touring icon reimagined. The 2025 Honda Goldwing GCT isn't just an upgrade, it's a full evolution of what it means to ride in luxury. From performance to comfort, tech to design, every inch of this motorcycle has been engineered for the rider who wants it all. It's not just about the destination anymore. With the GCT, the journey becomes the highlight. For touring enthusiasts and Honda loyalists alike, the Goldwing GCT stands as the gold standard in two-wheeled travel. Get ready to hit the open road, because with the 2025 Goldwing GCT, comfort and class ride hand in hand.